You think that isolated machine is safe? Think again. There's an invisible thread creeping right through your wires.
It defies logic. Malicious code actually hitches a ride on raw electricity, hunting for any physical way out.
Those basic software firewalls we relied on back in 2023, completely useless against today's terrifying hardware-level attacks.
Like a lurking parasite, a compromised machine secretly bleeds malicious electrical pulses backward, right through the shared ground. It silently manipulates tiny voltage fluctuations and invisible ground loops in the dark, patiently stealing your secrets.
The only logical defense? Destroy that shared ground completely. We need the absolute separation of an optocoupler.
By harnessing the sheer physics of light, we force the data into a strict, one-way physical journey.
Let's dissect the anatomy of this defense. Step 1. The signal enters as vulnerable, raw electricity.
Step 2. A tiny LED instantly flashes, converting that potentially infected electrical pulse into pure infrared light. Step 3. That light shoots across a literal physical chasm inside the chip, a total electrical disconnect. Finally, step 4. A receiver catches the beam, perfectly translating it back into electricity on the safe side. Light can't travel backward through that void. The parasite is permanently trapped in the dark on the other side. This physical barrier stops everything cold. Voltage spikes, common ground leaks, and electrical noise don't stand a chance.
When that nasty malware tries to leak your data, it violently smashes right into an unbreakable wall of physics.
The best part? You can build this military-grade isolation today using everyday hardware for under $80.
That physical gap guarantees your isolated machine stays an impenetrable fortress against any invisible threat.
In today's landscape of endless zero-day exploits, what will you trust? Failing software or unbreakable physics? CyberTips Explainer. We make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.